So this is a 1999-2000 Mercury 150 XR6 with the jet pump attached to it. Customer was having issues with oil going from the external oil tank to the internal oil tank. I checked everything out, and that check valve down there that's attached to the engine block, I was barely getting any air coming out of there with it on the engine. I removed it, tried to blow through it, and it was super hard to blow through anything through it. We got a new check valve, new spark plugs, new inline fuel filter, put the date on it, new fuel water separating filter, and I put the date on that too. But the new check valve, it's a lot easier to blow air through like it should, and so air goes through, comes out of it, and then it won't go back inwards. So that's working like it should now. Run the engine, everything is good. So yeah, just a bad check valve.